Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change the app recommendation settings in Windows 11 version 24H2. In this latest version, Microsoft has added some new options and features to give you better control over app installations and enhance your user experience. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon on the taskbar or press the Windows I keys to open the settings menu. Once the settings window appears, select the Apps section from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Advanced App Settings to access the advanced options. Under the Choose Where to Get Apps section, you'll see 4 options. Anywhere allows you to install apps from any source without warnings. Anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store, lets you install apps from external sources but notifies you if there's a similar app available on the Microsoft Store. Anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. Allows you to install apps from outside sources but gives a warning before proceeding. Lastly, the Microsoft Store only, which is the recommended option, restricts app installations to the Microsoft Store, ensuring safety and security. If you frequently install apps from external sources, choose Anywhere or Anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store to avoid interruptions. If you prioritize safety and security, select the Microsoft Store only to limit app installations from untrusted sources. Besides app recommendation settings, you'll notice 2 additional useful options. The first is Share Across Devices, which lets you continue app experiences on other devices connected to your Microsoft account. If you often work across multiple devices, this feature helps you sync data quickly and seamlessly. The second option is Archive Apps, which automatically archives infrequently used apps to save storage space and internet bandwidth. When you need to use the app again, it will be fully restored with all its files and data intact. Depending on your usage needs, you can choose the settings that work best for you. If security is your priority, I recommend selecting the Microsoft Store only. If you need to install apps from external sources, choosing an option with warnings will help keep your system safe. And that's it! With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to change app recommendation settings in Windows 11 and enable additional features like Share across devices and archive apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.